Hi there, this is the AwareTech iPhone charger with camera. Today we'll go over an unboxing, an overview, show you the basics to set up and some sample footage. So getting started with the unboxing straight away, crack this one open. So in the box we've got a few bits and pieces. Just pull out these manuals here. So you've got an app installation guide with the QR codes, as well as the quick start guide for using the device. In the main unit here, we've got the AC adapter to connect to power, as well as a charging cable that connects directly to the device. That's everything you'll get in the box, so we'll go ahead and get this one ready to show you an overview. Alrighty, now giving you a quick overview of the device, this one is really simple. You have the connection point for any iPhone. The camera is hidden in the front of the screen just here. And then on the back, when you want to get ready to access and put in your SD card, simply remove the back cover and you've got access to the SD card slot here, as well as the on and off / reset button just here. Once you're ready to use this one, plug it directly into power and you're good to go. We'll show you how to do that now. Alrighty, now going over the setup for the device, the first thing you'll want to do is connect it into power with the included connections. Then on your phone, after about 40-60 seconds, navigate to the settings, and under Wi-Fi, you'll have a new network appear called B-Link, dash, and a series of numbers. The password to get into this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, join. Now it can take up to a minute the first time to connect, but you should see a tick. If you get a message that says no internet connection, don't worry about that, you're just directly connected to the device. Once you've done that, go to the IoT Living app that you would have downloaded. In the top right hand corner, you can press the plus button, select manual add, search camera from LAN, and then the device we've connected to should appear. Perfect. We'll call this one test for this video. Okay. And you can see a preview of a device we've looked at previously as well. You can have up to 5+ devices on this one. You can see there, bottom left corner, online. If I press play, we won't set a password this time, but you can see right there, there's the product package, there's my hand in real time. Now for other settings, such as remote viewing, you'll want to press the cog in the bottom right hand corner. The first thing we suggest is going to network information and connecting it to Wi-Fi, so then you can view the device remotely from wherever you are. If you want to do motion detection or SD card recording with motion detection, you want to go to parameters, recording settings, and motion detection settings. Setting those up will give you everything you need to do to get started. There's a whole ton of other features in here, but we'll leave that to you. If you've got any other questions, just let us know.